This is the ultimate guide to resolving the meta-identity group ban loop. I personally encountered this exact problem and spent considerable time exploring various solutions. Ultimately, I uncovered several effective methods to overcome the meta-identity group ban, and I am excited to share these proven strategies with you right now. First, initial account review and data collection is vital. You need to gather all your account information, ban screenshots, and personal data from Meta. This helps you understand why the ban happened and build a strong case for appeal. It's like collecting all the facts before you present your side. Next, GDPR Article 20 rules formulation is our legal pathway. This powerful article allows you to demand a real human review if an automated system banned your account. By sending a formal request, you legally compel Meta to reconsider, often overturning unfair computer-generated decisions. This ensures a person, not just a machine, looks at your unique situation. Then, follow-up and escalation tactics are crucial. Simply sending a request isn't enough. You must track its delivery and send reminders. If Meta remains unresponsive, reporting them to a data protection authority adds legal pressure. These authorities can intervene, forcing Meta to address your case seriously. This makes sure your voice is heard and acted upon. Finally, preventative measures and future-proofing keep you safe. Once your account is restored, understanding Meta's rules and securing your profile with strong passwords and two-factor authentication prevents future issues. These steps shield you from future bans and protect your digital identity long-term.